Hi everybody, Keith Best here once again, and in this video I'm going to take it to the next level with xFields and location sets. So in the last video I looked at the xFields, this one I'm going to put them together with the location sets. Now what I've done is I've just basically put this YouTube iframe in, and as you can see I've got xField video ID. Video is one thing which I use a lot of. So I'm going to create a new xField, which I'm going to call video ID. Okay, now over here, I've just collected 4 videos. Now, first off, I'm just going to put that in, because as you can see, I've got the video ID comes after the embed code there. If you update that, go over here, do a refresh. We need to do, not be daft, you need to actually put that in text. Or remove it. Better. Come on, now when we do it, so there you go, Magic Page plugin using the free templates. Okay. So now on your Magic Page, obviously, what I do is I generate a video, at least one video for the location. So say this is Leeds, I would have a video for Locksmith Leeds, and probably a few other ones. But then, obviously, as I'll look at my analytics and things like that, I'll see that other locations are starting to get picked up. So I'll start and create videos for them as well. But now I want to be able to place them on the correct page for that video. So it's not going to be doing a video for Leeds and it's going on the Wakefield page. When I'm targeting, I want the Wakefield video to go on the Wakefield page. So what you do is you come down to these location sets down here, and you do a new location set. So you give it a name or a label. So I'll always give it the name of where it is. So let's do Wakefield, and let's do 1 mile. Okay. So you come across to here and you do Wakefield. Okay, so it's fine Wakefield for us. I'll fill that one in. And radius from location, I'm going to do 1 mile. And we'll do 5 locations. It's up to you how many you do. I normally stick with 5. Come across, save it. And it's save it. So now there's only 1 location. So I'm assuming that is going to be Wakefield. Okay, so now let's do another location. Let's say Sheffield. Okay, 1 mile. We'll do 5 locations around Sheffield. See, that's got 4 locations. So we've got Sheffield, Park Hill, and Highfield. It's fine. So I always just check them just to make sure I don't overlap them. So let's do Bradford, 1 mile. Bradford. So we want that one. We want 1 mile. And we want 5 locations. We've got 3. The last one we'll do okay, that's 1 and that's 5. That's fine. So we've got them. So now what we need to do is in the video ID, edit. And then we create 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Copy Wakefield, Sheffield, Bradford. Wakefield, Sheffield, Bradford. Castleford. Okay, so we got them. So now let's put the videos in. Lots of different video ID. Oh, we want too many. Never mind. That one don't need it. So if we update that now, we should make that thing major cities. Make it easier. Doesn't matter. Type it in. So if we refresh it, so what we've got is obviously Magic Page plugin using a free template. Now it doesn't matter where we go on here, we're going to get that one. Okay, if I now change this to Sheffield, we've got finding all your target keywords. We've got a completely different video. If I go back to Crooks, it goes back to the default video. But then if we go to Bradford, it changes it to a totally different video again. And we go to Poland. Now, of course, you can put them mileage as a bigger mileage if you wanted, so that it was covering a bigger area. We go back to Bradford, we'll change the thing, and then who's Wakefield was his own one. So Wakefield's now. How should we spell it right? Okay, so Wakefield's got a totally different video as well. But again, if you go back to any of the places not in that Wakefield area, you're getting the default page or the default video. And that basically is location sets. Very simple to set up, but very, very, very powerful. Like I say, I have a full, more in-depth video on my site, keithbest.com, which goes more into these videos, how I do them and things like that. And I've even got the schema there for you. So if you want to check that one out, feel free. And it'll give you more ideas, because like I say, anything in these location sets you can change. So you could change the phone number. So let's just do it. In fact, let's edit that. So the standard phone number for Leeds is 0113. So standard phone number for Wakefield. And if we do Sheffield, I think that is I've got the phone number there anyway. So if you've got different people in different areas, you can just give them that areas. And like I say, you can extend that to 10 miles, 5 miles, 20 miles, however far you want. And within that area, they will actually pick up. And obviously, if you've done 10 locations, only them 10 locations will have that new phone number on. So if we spin that now, we're on Wakefield. Oh, we're on Stanley. So that's going to be 0113. It's there. Okay. Now, if we go to Wakefield, that number is changed to 01924. If we now go to Sheffield, the number is now changed to 0114. So do you see how powerful this is? You can change this whole thing of your site purely and simply on locations. So you could put some content on about a map, you could put content on about whatever, just by changing your locations. Okay, hope that was useful. Catch you on the next video. Bye.